Mini fruit pizza. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Your pan, grease it. Get you some sugar cookies. You can make them homemade or do it this way. Just like that. Put it in the oven for however long the package says. Get you some fruit, cut it up whatever kind you want. I got strawberries, kiwi, and grapes. Oh my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Get you an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Get you a half a cup of powdered sugar. About a teaspoon of vanilla until good and smooth. Cookies completely cool. Get your cream cheese mixture. Spread it on the top. Don't be stingy. Get your fruit. Add it on the top. Chicken Alfredo jumbo shells. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Do some jumbo shells. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. We are going to need 2 cups of chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. Get you 1 cup of ricotta cheese. About a half a cup of mozzarella. A little bit more won't hurt. The seasonings I will be using is garlic, pepper, salt, and pepper. You can use whatever kind of seasonings you prefer. You can get store-bought or you can make your home Alfredo sauce. I'm making it homemade. 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Looks like this, a little bit of bubbles. You're going to get 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Get you some shredded Parmesan cheese. We're going to use half. Then we're going to add in our seasons. Italian garlic powder. Give that a good mix until it gets good and thick. Get you some kind of casserole dish. Tomato sauce. We're going to put some at the bottom. Chicken mixture. Get your jumbo shells. And we're going to stuff them. Just like this. Put it down into the Alfredo sauce. Once it's done, it should look something like this. The remainder Alfredo sauce. Pour on the top. Put it on the top. Preheat your oven to 350. We're going to bake until golden and bubbly. Your Parmesan cheese. Garnish it with some bacon. And some fresh parsley. Mini omelets. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Choose 6 eggs. Salt. Pepper. Tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Use some sausage. This is the sausage I'm using. 1.5 cups of cheese. Kind of potatoes I'm using. 1.5 cups. Get you a muffin tin. Spray it with some Pam. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to bake for 30 minutes. Get them out of the oven. Sprinkle some extra cheese on the top. and place them back in the oven for about 5 minutes. 2 ingredient lemon bars. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. You need for this is a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Some lemon. This is a 21-ounce container. You need the whole entire thing. And 1 pack of pound cake. This is 16 ounces, 1 pound. You don't need no eggs, no milk, nothing. Get you a pan, spray it with some Pam. This is an 8x8. It should look something like that, just a big puff ball. We are just going to transform it over into our pan. Preheat your oven to 350. We're going to bake for 40 minutes. Remove from the oven, let it cool. Get you some powdered sugar. Sprinkle on the top. Don't be stingy. Cut into bars. Jello roll-ups. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. You need 3 ingredients for these easy roll-ups. 1 pack of Jello, any kind of flavor you want. I'm doing strawberry and lime. 3 ounces of gelatin. Jello. Half a cup of boiling hot water. 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. We're going to put this in the microwave to get it nice and melted. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. Perfect for St. Patty's Day. Green's my favorite color. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Corn, cream cheese casserole. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. A block of Philadelphia cream cheese. If they don't sponsor me, then who will? 1/4 stick of butter. We're going to place this in the microwave to get it nice and melted. Move it from the microwave, give it a good mix. Get you some heavy whipping cream. Measure with your heart. If you want it good and creamy, use more. If you don't have a microwave, you can do this on the stove, hon. Salt to taste. Pepper to taste. Get you a bag of corn. You can use canned corn as well. This is what it should look like. Set it to the side. Get you some kind of casserole dish. Anything will work. We're going to put our corn mixture down into our casserole dish. Grate us some cheese. Here it is. I'm going to place it in the oven for 25-30 minutes.